Morning, all
Good
of you.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Buddha. Good morning. So let's
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning, Buddha. So let's wind up today regarding the base. We have already done two slides on base acids over, and I take it for granted that you are well versed. You are aware of what exactly is acid, what are the examples of acid, right, Buddha, and the bases. So we are going to be through acids and bases. Then we continue with the salts. Yes, please, one of you start reading.
Miss, shall I? Hello,
Ma'am,
Miss.
Yes, Buddha.
hello, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Miss, shall I read?
Someone is calling me. Let me
Hello,
first.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, tell me. Tell me. Say.
no, ma'am.
What you? What do you want to ask? Say, beta.
Ma'am, what is the roll number of Ayan Lakhani Salim Bhai?
That I won't be knowing, beta, because I'm not your class teacher. You
It's
can ask
okay.
your class teacher, beta. Okay?
It's okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. You can personally WhatsApp your class teacher and get your roll
Thank
number.
you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. We start.
Miss, now shall I start reading?
Kasim, is that you?
Yes.
Okay.
About base. Baking soda tastes sour.
Sir.
What is it taste? Since it does not taste sour, it means that is that it has no acid in it. It is bitter in taste. If you rub the solution between fingers, it feels soapy on touching or known as base. The nature of such substance is acid to be basic,
It's said. Actually, this should be
aid
said.
to be basic.
No, not it's said to be basic. Said beta. S is missing. The nature of such
Substance
substance.
is said to be basic.
Yes. Now, instead of aid, what is to be written with the said? What is
Yes.
written?
Okay, miss.
Now, what is the question by the way? Baking soda tastes are no. Baking
Yes.
soda. You have baking soda at home, beta. Your mama must be making cake.
Yes.
Yes. So take a pinch of it and put it on your tongue. Taste it. You'll find it is a bit funny taste, bitter taste, soda taste. You know what is soda taste? I think. So it does not taste sour, but it tastes bitter. And then you just make a bit of a paste of that baking soda and put it in between the fingers. You will find it that it is a bit soapy. It's soapy. So what does it say? That these are basic in nature. What does it suggest, beta? It is basic in nature.
Basic.
So what is
Basic.
the important things? That it is bitter in taste, and when you touch it, it is
It's soapy.
soapy on touching. So these are the two
Yes.
features of basic matter. Is this
Ma'am,
clear to all of
ma'am,
you?
it is compulsory that the bases have a soapy touch.
Yes, Vita. In a way, not compulsory, but most of you get it. Most of the
Okay.
matter has got these characteristic features. Okay, but yes, it is bitter in taste. That's for sure. It is bitter in taste. Is this clear? Now, if I ask you what are the features of acid, what you will say, bitter?
A sister of acid.
Yes. What is the features of acid?
Sour,
Just
sour in
like
taste.
exactly. Sour in taste. Anything else? No. Only sour in taste. That's the only feature we have. There are the two features for basic. It's the only one feature for acidic. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll see the names of base.
Yes.
And where do you find it?
Yes. Names of base. Sodium hydroxide. Found in soaps, cleaner.
Now you understood? Now the soap
Yes.
that you're using has got sodium hydroxide. What it has, beta?
Sodium
Sodium hydroxide.
hydroxide.
The soap that you're using. And also your mama or your papa, if the drain gets clogged or choked, What they put at night, they put the drain cleaner, and in the morning, when you just put a bucket of water, it gets flushed. Is this clear?
Okay.
So sodium hydroxide you find in soaps and in drain cleaner. Next is
Magnesium hydroxide found in antacids.
antacids. What you will say? Antacids.
Antacids.
Magnesium hydroxide is a tablet, a Digen tablet.
Okay.
Have you heard of Digen tablet, beta?
Yes, yes,
When you get that acidity, those big tablets, the chewing tablets, pink color,
yes,
yellow color, nice
yes,
colors you get, and you get a very
yes,
good taste, chewable
yes.
tablets. So that is what is used as medicine, as antacid. So it is cutting the acid. It is neutralizing the acid. Is this clear? If you have got too much of acidity, you will have this magnesium hydroxide as antacid tablets. It will reduce
Okay.
the acidity. What it will do, beta? It will
Reduce.
reduce. Please put up a mic. Hello.
Yes, well done.
Ma'am.
It will reduce the no. How I come to know because my voice comes back to me, so I'm not able to speak properly. So that's the reason that I tell you to put off your mic.
Okay.
Next is
Aluminium hydroxide. Antacid deodorants.
there's another aluminum hydroxide. This is also antacid. That's medicine. Deodorants. What are deodorants, beta? It's a type of a perfume. It is type of a
Okay.
spray. It's a spray. Deo. Have you heard of deos? You get in the this spray on you. When you sweat a lot, you use deo. Is this clear?
Yes, yes.
It's not perfume actually, it's a spray. What it is? It's a spray. Next is
Calcium hydroxide. Lime water.
you understood now? Lime water is what?
Yes,
Now
yes.
you want to
Limbu
paint
powder.
your house. Sort of distemper. जिसको हम चूना कहते हैं. Have you heard of chuna? You paint
Yes.
you first you put the tuna and then we do the
Yes, yes. Ten
distempering,
color.
isn't it? Yes, white color. First we make a polish of calcium hydroxide. Then on top of that we paint different. That is distemper. Have you heard of these words? We color it. If you want to use
Yes.
some different colors, then you can. But first color should be of calcium hydroxide. Is this clear? That's a base of distemper. So that is lime water. Next is
Ammonium hydroxide. Window cleaners.
so you uh, must have observed in the news or in the
Yes.
advertisements people
Calling.
cleaning the windows and cleaning the glasses from outside. So
Sir,
what are they
calling.
using?
Calling. Calling.
No, Colin is not. Colin we use for home purposes. Window cleaners are generally people who are cleaning from outside.
Okay.
They come in carriages. They tie themselves with a rope and they clean from outside. Yes or no? So they take
Yes.
ammonium hydroxide in buckets and they wipe the windows from outside. Magnesium hydroxide. What is that, beta? Next. Sorry, I read it out. You read it again.
Magnesium hydroxide. Milk of magnesium.
So magnesium hydroxide is also uh, this trade name, what you can call it as milk of magnesia. It is also named as milk of magnesia. Where are we using? Again as antacid. This is again antacid bitter. So this milk of magnesia is sort of uh, gelusil. You must have heard of gelusil. Your grandparents must be taking this before retiring, before going to sleep. This is called as milk of magnesia medicine. Next,
Ammonium hydroxide. Ammonia common base.
ammonium hydroxide, which is again sort of named as ammonia, but actually it's not ammonia. Ammonium hydroxide is taken as a common base. That everywhere, whenever you want to use any base, you will take ammonium hydroxide as a reactant. For any type of reaction, we take ammonium hydroxide. We'll see weak versus strong base. What are the, see, we know the bases now, but which are the weak
Yes.
bases and which are the strong bases?
Okay, ma'am.
And one more
Weak
thing I want to
base.
tell you, just a moment, beta. One more thing I want to tell you, there are many slides which are, not in your book, not in your textbook, but purposely I've taken it so that, it becomes a storyline
Okay.
and this is for your own knowledge.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm
General
not relating
knowledge.
anything from the chapter, but you should know about it so that you become more strong, you become stronger, and nothing, you don't forget in between. So there's a reason that purposely I've taken
Thank you, ma'am.
weak versus strong base.
Yes. Weak versus strong base. Weak base. Potassium carbonate, sodium carbonate, ammonia. Strong base. Strong bases. Sodium hydroxide, sodium phosphate, barium hydroxide,
Barium, say barium,
barium, barium,
barium.
barium, barium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide.
Now the weak base, what we saw is potassium carbonate, sodium carbonate, ammonia. These are the weak bases. That means they don't react so vigorously. Now we will talk about strong base. So they are very good reactants. Sodium hydroxide, sodium phosphate, barium hydroxide, and calcium. Is it understandable to all of you? Yes. This is not there in a book. Now we come to indicators.
Indicators. Special type of substances are used to check whether the substances are acidic or basic in nature. These special type of substances are called indicators. The indicators change their color when added to any of acid or base. They can be natural or artificial. Example of natural and turmeric are turmeric, china rose, and litmus.
Now indicators. Why are we using indicators, by the way? We do not know. Is this matter acidic or
Yes,
basic?
to do acid or base.
Exactly. Now, how do you classify? There has to be some matter, some material to identify the substance as acidic or basic. Is this clear? Right? So, the substances which identifies any matter as acidic or basic is called as indicator. So, there are special type of substances to check the substances whether they are acidic or basic in nature. What exactly they are doing? They are changing the color. What they do? They change the color. What they do, beta? Hello?
Yes.
They change the color. If it
Yes.
is added to acidic, it will change the color. If it is added to
Okay.
basic, it will change the color.
Okay.
There are two types of indicators, natural or artificial. One that is natural, one that we may have made. Let's talk about natural indicators. One is turmeric. What is turmeric, beta?
Butter.
Haldi. No, haldi. Haldar, yes. We call it
Butter.
haldi. Then we have China rose. What is China rose, beta?
Yes. China rose. Flower.
Gudhal, Gudhal, Gudhal. We call it as
Gudal.
Gudhal.
Gudal. Gudal.
Again you are shouting.
गुडल मैं गुडल ना नाम लिया तो उसका गया
हाँ, so नहीं होना चाहिए ना बेटा. We are in
हम्म,
class. We are in the class, not at home. This is what I'm trying to teach you. Beta. Then we have litmus. What we have, beta? Litmus. So these are the three natural. Litmus we get it from lichen. This is lichen, and we get red litmus and blue litmus. Is this clear? Is this
yes
clear? So from lichen
yes
we get red litmus and blue litmus, right? Now, consider this is the flower. And Budhal is like this. It comes out like this, and you have got it now.
Yes.
This is Budhal.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I
You
know.
observe? You get pink color, you get orange color, you
Yes,
get red
orange color,
color,
white color,
yes, white color. So this is called as Budhal.
which yellow, sir.
Okay, beta? Is it clear? Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So this the other name is China rose. What is the other name, beta? China
China
rose.
rose.
So hibiscus. The other name is hibiscus plant. China rose.
Yes, yes.
So these are the natural ingredients. Is this clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Now we'll
Yes.
see one by one.
Natural indicators.
First one that we are going to talk about is litmus.
Litmus. Yes.
First thing that I will.
Litmus, a natural indicator. The most commonly used indicator is litmus. It is extracted from lichens. It has a what?
Mauve.
It has a mauve purple color in distilled water. When added to an acidic solution, it turns red, and when added to basic solution, it turns blue. It of strips of paper known as
No, no,
litmus
no.
paper.
It will be in the form of. You have skipped one line.
Yes, sorry, ma'am, sorry. It will be in the form of solution or in the form of strips of paper known as litmus paper. Generally, it is available as lead and blue litmus paper.
Thank you, beta.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Tell me.
Ma'am, if the solution is not an acid nor basic, so color
It will,
remain as it is.
exactly. You have got the answer already, beta. No
Ma'am, I am
change.
asking doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah.
There will be no change. You got the answer.
Ma'am, but ma'am, it is written that it is available and as red and blue litmus paper. So,
Yes.
ma'am, when we add blue litmus paper in a basic solution, so
It
it
will
is
remain
blue
blue.
only. So
Yes. What
how
how
it
it
will?
will? It will remain blue only. There will be no change. That means it is a basic solution. Common sense, beta.
Okay.
Did you
Basic
understand?
solution.
If it is not changing, that shows that it is a basic solution. Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting?
Ma'am, gusso.
No, that is what I'm teaching. You have a control. Yes, beta. Everybody has got anger, but they are
Yes,
controlling. Even you should control.
yes, ma'am.
If you want to be a good boy, then only you will be a good boy.
Okay, ma'am, sorry.
Don't say sorry. Control. I don't want you sorry, beta. I want you to be good. That's it. Okay? So should we come back, beta? Should we start learning?
Yes.
The first one that we uh, talked about is litmus, which is a natural indicator. From where we get? From lichens. Which color it is? Sort of mauve, that is purple color, when we put it in distilled water. Now, what is distilled water? Distilled water is pure water. What is it, beta? Pure water. And whenever you go to a hospital for an injection, they put the powder in distilled water and then they inject you. Is this clear? Is this
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
Yes, I'm saying yes.
Now, when this litmus paper is put in the acidic solution, the blue will turn to red. That is danger. You should know acid is a danger. So which is the dangerous color? Red. Is this clear? So what should come to your mind? If I say acid, what should come to your mind? Red. If I say basic, what should come to your mind? Blue. So how you will remember better?
Blue or purple.
Acid,
Acid means red.
R. Basic, blue. So how you will do? BB. What you will remember as? B and
We
blue ka B. Okay? So you
are
will never
and
go wrong. You will never go wrong. BB. Just remember BB, that is basic and blue. The first letter is B. So you will never go wrong. Read once, remember one thing, automatically you will remember the counterpart. Okay?
Yes.
Fine. Where were we? Fine. So you know that. So when I'm adding to acidic solution, it will turn red. And when I'm adding to basic solution, it will turn blue. Is this clear? Now this litmus is observed in paper form, that is called as litmus paper, or in the solution form. So in two ways we get litmus. One is in liquid form, that is solution, and one is in solid form, that is litmus paper. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So how many types of paper do we have, beta? We have got two types of paper. One is red
Red
and the
and
other one
blue
is
too.
blue litmus paper. Only
Blue.
two, red and blue. Is any problem regarding this slide?
No,
no.
ma'am. No.
All
No.
of you
eh,
understood nicely?
Yes.
See over here.
Yes.
What you see over here? pH. What you see over here, beta? pH.
pH.
Right, beta? This is
1 to
0
7.
to 14. What is written over here?
Yes.
0
0
to
to 40.
14.
1 to 7 is acidic. 1 to 6 and 7, 8 to 40 is base.
Should I say or you will say, beta?
You.
Till here, it is acid. From here, it is okay. So if I say from 0 to 7, what you said was correct. 0 to 7 is acidic. Yes, beta?
yes, ma'am.
7 is neutral. What is 7?
It's new.
Neutral.
Neutral.
Neutral, not neuter. Neutral. And
Neutral.
more than 7 is
Base.
any problem?
Nope.
No.
Nope.
You can see the
No.
solution, beta? Can you see the solution? This is red litmus solution,
Yes.
and this is blue litmus solution. Okay? Okay, beta? The
Yes.
next slide on litmus. Read.
Litmus. Natural dye. Litmus is extracted from lichens. It has more purple color in distilled water. Nowadays, available in paper strips from red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. When litmus is added to acid, it turns red, and when added to bases, it turns blue. But if substances do not change its color to red or blue, litmus are called neutral substances.
Any problem? The same thing in a different format. You got all the answers? Did you get all the answers, beta? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Do you want me to explain this slide? Or have you understood? Hello? Have you understood or do you want me to explain this
Yes,
slide?
I understood.
Understood all of you, beta?
Yes.
No one is answering.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can see lichens over here. These are lichens. You see? You get it on rocks, in jungle, in Forest, you can see all these lentils.
Yes.
See this. This is how it looks like. These are like this, patchy. And this is a combination of what? You know that? What is this better? It is a combination of two organisms. One is algae and other one is fungi.
Fungi.
Do you understand? What is algae doing better? Food.
That
Algae is
egg
making
is
food.
food.
And
Yes,
what
and fungi
fungi
is
is doing?
protected from
Shelter.
doing shelter. Yes,
It is giving
perfect.
shelter. So both are helping each other. This
Yes,
type of
symbiotic
mechanism,
relationship.
exactly, there you are, very good. Who said this, beta?
Mazaki
As-
working.
Zaki, very good. Symbiotic relationship. So what is a relationship, beta? Symbiotic relationship. They're helping each other. What we will say? They're helping each other. They're not harming, but they are helping each other. One is giving food and the other one is giving protection or the shelter. Any problem? Any problem, beta?
No.
Is there? These are litmus paper, right, beta? What was the color of this paper? Blue. What is the
Blue.
color of this paper?
Red.
Red. So blue is changing to red and red is changing to blue. Is this clear? Put off your mic
Yes, ma'am.
and tell you this again and again. Beta. Let's do this. Read. Read. Litmus paper. When if you start reading better. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, read it.
Yes. Litmus paper turns red when dipped in an acidic solution.
So you agree?
Yes.
Then
Litmus paper turns blue when dipped in an alkaline solution.
in short, what I will write? Basic solution. Right, beta?
Yes.
Right? So what we saw
Basic.
that the red is changing to blue. Basic.
Yes.
Blue is changing to red. Acidic. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So I think we come to close. Look at the time, beta.
Yes.
Look at the time.
10:15 done. Okay, ma'am.
Done. We have done
Crafts.
only six slides, not much. Only six slides we
Yes.
did. 10 minutes we wasted, I think so. Earlier, I
Yes.
was not getting admitted because we would
Yes.
have finished at least two more slides we would have finished. Does not matter. Have you understood these slides, whatever I taught you now? Did you
Yes,
understand
ma'am.
it nicely?
Yes.
Yes. Have a good day, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye, ma'am.